What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Got a quick one for you today. I had a thought while I was sitting here working on a DIY pocket hole jig for another woodworking project that I'm working on. I actually used a couple of 223 shell casings as a support sleeve for the internals. This is actually the third one that I've made, just messing around. The other two are a little bit bigger than this. I just wanted something a little bit more portable, but that's not important right now. What is important is that one of my viewers, Andy Prairie Dog 4829, and I hope I said that right, asked me a question about the Case Prep Duo. I wanted to know if the head could be used independent of the actual tool itself. As you can see, mine is completely dead. And that was the question. And when I answered the question, I said no and yes, but I'm going to show you that it can be done. Now, when I originally said yes but no, the reason is it can be done, but to me it felt a little awkward to use it like it is. So I have my drill and I have my electric screwdriver, but you're going to need one of these adapters. So give me 1 second and let me show you how it works. So you're going to put the head on like so. And the reason that I said no originally is because this piece right here is a collar that actually locks the head onto the Case Prep Duo. Because if you don't, this is what will happen. The entire thing will spin. But it is possible to hold the drill with one hand and both pull the trigger and hold the head steady. Now, another way that I found that you can do it is if you lay the drill down like so on a piece of 2x4 or wood or whatever you have. That will also immobilize it. But if you want to take it a step further, you can always zip tie it to the wood to keep it steady. Quick change to the electric screwdriver, and same thing. It does work. The only thing about the electric screwdriver is, since it's almost on even plane with the head, it's not quite as stable as the drill is. And when you go to use it, and I'm sorry I can't actually show you me doing a case with it because I'm doing this with one hand holding the camera and then pressing the button. But it has a tendency to move, as you just saw. And you have to run both the drill or the screwdriver in reverse in order for the tools to turn the proper way. But it can be used with both electric screwdriver and a drill. As a matter of fact, let me go grab my tripod so I can actually show you how it works. Okay, so the one hand method with the drill works something like this. You gotta get the drill started first. And there you go. Using the assisted 2x4, it works something like this. Either way it works. And I don't know if you can see, but again, drill's going in reverse while the tools are turning the correct direction. Now, when using the electric screwdriver, because they're about even, I just put it on a flat surface. See, like I said, the electric screwdriver likes to do that little flip move you saw. But it is possible to still use it and it be effective. As with anything that I show you on this channel, please use your discretion and always practice safety when attempting anything. But as you can see, it is possible to do it and do it effectively. But as always, if this is your first time finding my channel, I hope you like what you see. And if you do, don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment so I know what you think, share the video with a friend. To everyone else, thanks for watching.